If you're in the business of selling anything online, be it courses, software, coaching, services, or subscriptions, understanding the evolving landscape of payment models is crucial. Over the past 5 years, consumer expectations have shifted dramatically. While credit cards remain a staple, today's customers demand instant checkouts, local payment options, mobile wallets, and innovative solutions like buy now, pay later. That's why I'm excited to invite you to our free workshop series. The New Rules to Selling Online in 2026. This series will equip you with the insights needed to choose the perfect payment model for your products, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. What's in it for you? Access to live sessions and replays, expert insights on payment trends, strategies to enhance customer experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your online selling game. Hit the link below to register now and unlock the full workshop series.